Hey, you ever wondered how YouTubers make their live streams look this good? Well, it's easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how live on Tuesday night with Ecamm Live. My guest, Jill Roberts from the Ecamm team, is going to be on my show, and we're going to talk about Ecamm Live. We're going to demo some scenes. We're going to demo. I'll put a montage here. Cool stuff that you can see that I'm going to do with Ecamm. And you'll get to see even more of it Tuesday night. Because if you want your live streams to look next level, you need to see this. From camera switching to virtual cameras to guest interviews, this is the bomb. Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern. Oh yeah, my affiliate link will be in the description if you want to try Ecamm yourself. Yes, I'll get a couple of pennies for it, but you get to try great software and it won't cost you a penny more. See you there, creators. Come for the pro tips, but stay for the bad jokes. You're going to love it. It's going to be a great episode and I'm excited. It's going to be fun having Jill on the show. Watch.